Check it out. What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, my job running Jai K, Mr. Money Man, aka I do real estate, aka I'm an entrepreneur. Hey man, this is just want to turn around and show y'all. This was a lot that I had previously came to when I was doing a video where I was breaking into the trailer home. I couldn't get inside it. The property that we bought months and months ago. So I did a video just showing you, what my intentions was with the property. So as you can see, we got a new mobile home here. Actually, it's not ours. It's the person that actually bought the property. And this tend to look like the old mobile home. Look like they might have deconstructed it, tore it up, and ultimately will be, I guess, burning it or, getting a dumpster out here. But this is what I mean when I say, a property that we literally paid 10 grand for both of these lots, and sold it on a note. I sold this property for $45,000 with $10,000 down. So essentially you say, well, okay, I've gotten all my money outside of a little bit of closing costs back out of this property. So everything from here on out is technically profit. Now we done this right around the end of November. So I believe the payments are, I want to say maybe $400 or $500. Can't really remember right now. They're responsible for taxes and insurance. We just did principal and interest only. So all that is straight cash flow. That's straight cash flow. And this is just the power of, like I was saying in the video, keeping your toolbox full. Now I tried to sell this property cash, roughly around the same price, maybe 40 grand. But I got a buyer that wanted to put $10,000 down. We was okay with it. So essentially we got, right now we're pretty much out of pocket, no money, since it's been maybe 3-4 payments that have particularly been paid. So just wanted to show you, look, there's many different tricks and tips and tricks that you can utilize when doing real estate, man. This is just one of them that tend to work out perfect. The owner finance method, and we received a lump sum down payment. We received monthly payments, and anytime this person wants to go ahead and pay it off, we'll receive a lump sum on the back end. So always stay open to new methods, and always keep your toolbox full, man. Now, I'm out in this area. I haven't been out here in probably 6-7 months, but I have been working a property, a deal where I was buying another property. I had contracted this property back in I want to say June of 2020. June of 2020, and we've actually finally was able to clear title. I say maybe around February, and we closed on it. And this is my first time actually coming back out here, and as I can see, this is the property we actually own. Now this wasn't her, and I'm gonna go back to my old pictures that I had of the property when they first were sent out. This wasn't her. It was all treed. Now there was I believe there might have been a mobile home here, but it wasn't this particular mobile home. So what looks like done happened is somebody have just taken over my land. Now like I say, it took us maybe about 8 months, 9 months to actually get clear title. Nevertheless, somebody has cleared out the lot and put a mobile home on it. So this is going to be very interesting. So that's the reason why I was out in this area. Saturday, just figured I'd go ahead and come out here and get some pictures of our lot, so I can go ahead and put it on the market, on the finance. I got this lot for like 7 grand. So a nice size lot. We got this lot for 7 grand, probably gonna finance it for about 30, 35. And but now we got a home on it, which maybe, just maybe, we'll end up putting some liens and levies on this particular person for trespassing, and probably end up getting a mobile home, or at least covering some of our expenses for this lot. So it might just end up being a bigger payday. But like I say, man, the moral of the story is, man, like, look, there's plenty ways to do a deal. Get out there, do it, man. I'll be having more videos coming. It's your boy, Majah Vernon, aka Mr. Money Man, aka I do real estate, aka I'm an entrepreneur. That's a Saturday, man. Y'all see how it is, man. Like, look, nothing in particular. Just, you know, giving you some news, the blues, and the clues, man. And I'll be, hopefully, man, I'll be posting more videos, man. I haven't been on lately, but yeah, man, I'll be posting more videos, so y'all stay tuned. This your boy, man. Rock out with me. Follow me on Instagram, you know, Facebook, whatever. And man, subscribe to the channel, man. If you want more tips and tricks, man, subscribe, hit me up, tell me what type of videos you want, and we're gonna keep it moving, man. See y'all at the next one. Peace out.